me as English teacher in MJB, AB, BCWR school, Somerset. Children, today's grammar topic is participle. What is the today's grammar topic? Participle. What? Participle. What is a participle? Participle is a form of verb. It can be used as an adjective. Participle is a form of verb. It can be used as an adjective. There are three kinds of the participle. There are three kinds of participle. There are three kinds of the participle, namely present participle, second one is past participle, and last one is perfect participle. Okay, how many participle are there? Yes, three participle are there in English. Present participle, second one is past participle, third one is perfect participle. Okay, what is the present participle? Present participle is a verb. It is ended in ing form. Verb plus ing form. Verb plus ing form is called present participle. When you look at the example, here, go. Go is a base form of the verb. If we add ing form to the go, to this base form of the verb, it became going. Here, going is a past participle. Sorry, going is a present participle. Next one is watch. Watch is the base form of verb. If we add ing form to the verb, it became watching. It became present participle. Present participle are added with ing form. For example, going, watching, dancing, singing, and learning. These are some examples of the present participle. Now, what is the past participle? Past participle is nothing but verb 3. Verb 3 is called past participle. For example, if you take the go, if you take the verb go, went, and gone, and going. Okay, if you take the go is V1, went is V2, and this is V3 and V4. Okay, this is V1 is present form, V2 is past form, V3 is past participle. What is the past participle? V3. Verb 3 is called past participle. Okay. This is the V3. Gone is the past participle. Next, perfect participle. Having plus V3. Having plus V3. Having plus V3 is called perfect participle. Okay, there are three kinds of the participles: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. What is the present participle? If we add ing form to the base form of the verb, it became present participle. What is the past participle? Yes, past participle is nothing but verb 3 is called past participle. Okay, having plus V3. Having plus V3 is called perfect participle. Let us learn how to combine two sentences using present participle. How to combine the sentences using present participle. Okay. Okay, when you look at the example here, they saw a snake, they screamed. They saw a snake, they screamed. Okay, while we are combining two sentences, we have to identify subject of the both sentence. Okay, what is subject here? They. What is subject here? They. Okay, if the subject of the both sentences are the same, if the subject of the both sentences are same, we have to remove the subject of the first sentence. We have to remove the subject of the first sentence. Okay, the sentence, while we are connecting the sentence, we have to start the sentence with the present participle. Means V1 plus inform. Okay, what is the verb in the sentence? Saw is the verb. Can we add inform to the saw? No, we can't add inform to the saw. That's why what is the base form to the saw? Base form of the verb to the saw. See is the base form to the saw. That's why we can add inform to the see. So we start the sentence with seeing. We start the sentence with seeing. Seeing and continue the sentence. Seeing a snake. Okay, we have to place comma instead of full stop. Why? Because we are combining the sentence here. Okay, seeing a snake, comma, they screamed. We have to write small letter, and we combine the sentence. Seeing a snake, they screamed. This is the way to combine two sentences using present participle. Okay, how we are combining here? With the subject of the first sentence, second sentence are the same. We have to remove the subject here, subject of the first sentence, and start the sentence using present participle. Means going, writing, seeing, like that. Okay, this is the first model. And when we look at the second sentence, okay, we have to observe the subject. The subject of the first sentence and the subject of the second sentence are the same. That's why we have to remove see here. Okay, we have to start the sentence with present participle. Present participle means V1 plus inform. Okay, what is verb here? It is a verb. You can't add inform to the ate. That's why, what is the base form verb to the ate? Eat. Eat is the base form. That's why you can add inform to the base form. Okay? We start the sentence with eating. Eating well. Eating well. Put comma. And next sentence started with small letter. She went to school. What is the answer here? Eating well, she went to school. We have to remove the first sentence subject and starting with the present participle and continue the next sentences. Okay? This is the model one. What is the model one? If the subjects of the two sentences are the same, we have to connect the sentence like this. Okay? Next we have to learn second model. Okay, second model sentence here. It rained heavily. I stayed at home. When you look at the subject of the both sentence, it and I. Okay, here the subject of the both sentences are different. That's why we need not to remove the subject of the first sentence. In the first model, if the subject of the both sentences are same, we remove the first sentence subject, but here the subjects are different. That's why we need not to remove the subject. Okay, we have to start the sentence with the subject of the first sentence. It. After that, we have to write present participle. What is the present participle for the rain? Okay, present participle for the rain is raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G. Raining. Okay, raining is present participle to rain. It rained heavily, comma, we have to place comma. I stayed at home. This is the answer. Okay, it rained heavily, I stayed at home. Okay, because the subject, since the subjects are different, we have to start the sentence with subject and we have to write present participle for the verb. Okay, raining is a verb. Here we have to turn the rain into raining. Okay, next we have to write another sentence. Okay, look at the second example. Okay, second example, subject. What is the subject of the first sentence here? The bell. The children. The bell rang, the children came out of the class. Here we can observe different subjects. That's why we have to start. We should start the sentence with the subject, the bell. What is the verb? Rang. What is the present participle for the rang? Ringing. Ringing is present participle for rang. Present participle to rang. That's why we have to write ringing. Place comma. We have to start with small letter. The children came out of the class. What is the answer here? The bell ringing, the children came out of the class. This is the second model. In the second model, we can observe the different subjects. That's why we have to start the sentence with the subject and write present participle and then continue the another subject. Okay, this is about present participle, two models. Okay, next we will learn about another participles, means past participle and perfect participle in our next class.